All right, listen up and listen up closely. To my guys out there that are just starting their path in life, right? I'm making this video for you. So listen up. All right, you don't know what you want to do with your life. All you know is that somebody told you, all right, you're not living with me anymore. You're getting out in the world. You're getting on your own. All right, listen, what you need to do, and this is what you need to do. You need to figure out what you want to do in life. And how do you do that? Well, do you want to make money? Do you want to do your passion? What do you want to do? Well, let me tell you something. Fuck your passion. Fuck your passion. You need to pay some goddamn bills. The bills need to get paid. Now, you want to know what the highest paying jobs are? The highest paying careers? That's going to be your doctors, your lawyers, engineering, tech. Those are high paying jobs, right? You go to college, you get an education, you get some certifications, and you can do that. If that's something you don't want to do, let me give you more answers here. I'm giving you more answers. Then you need to learn a trade, a skill or a trade. You need to go learn how to be a truck driver, get your CDL license. You can get that, fairly cheap, all things considered. Be a truck driver, make six figures. You want to get into tech, be a software engineer, work remotely. You can stack jobs. You can make six figures. I'm telling you, the game is out there. And if you want to do these things, you have to work for it. Work for it. Because if you don't work for it, you're not going to have it. And I just don't want to hear more excuses about you don't know what to do in life because nobody told you. I'm literally sitting here right now telling you what it is you need to do. Now, if that's something you don't want to do and you don't want to make the multi six figures or even seven figures doing some job, or you don't want to go through the college and all that stuff, I got it. But I'm telling you, don't sit here and do not complain about not having any money, not knowing what to do in life when you're not even taking free advice that I'm giving you right now. So, this is a part one to this video. I'm going to make a part two here in a bit, but let me know what it is you want to decide to do. Let me know if you're having troubles. Let me know in the comments, and don't feed me no bull down in the comments. All right? I'll see you in the next one.